My name is Jay. First of all, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today. I'm here to talk to you about your experience in using funded trader capital, our proprietary firm. Well, let me give you an outline of what's going to happen. I'm going to ask you a series of questions. We want to understand and
Okay.
share with others, how you were able to achieve success trading with FTC. So again, thank you for being our guest. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about your trading journey. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Macmillian Maruleka, known as Kimbags SA on Instagram.
Okay.
So I've been trading for like a couple of years now.
Got it. You mentioned a couple of years. How long exactly have you been trading?
Since 2017, it's around 7 years.
Wow, 7 years. Just curious, who
Yes.
was your mentor?
No, I was working with my brother. My brother is the one who was mentoring me each and every time.
Great, great. Okay. Well, what's your approach to trading? How do you handle losses?
Mostly when it comes to losses, you can panic when you are in a loss if you are a person. Eventually, you do panic, but most of the time, uh, I make sure that I protect my profits. When my account goes to profit, I protect my profit with the stop loss. Even if there's a chance of the market to go down, it touches the stop loss first. Then my profit is protected. So in most cases, when you are not in profit and go straight to a loss, make sure that the stop loss is a little bit closer to your entry point so that the loss can be a little, but your profit can be more. Because if the loss is huge, then your balance is going to reduce and then you're going to be able to enter the market again. When you trade again, finding out that your balance is lesser than is making you to be unable to open a couple of trades that you want or even one trade. Finding out that the loss size that you were using is too big for the account to handle. So make sure that each and every time you put your stop loss closer and then you make sure that it's little less risk. That's why they say always be advised to use proper risk management. So I advise everyone to do that.
Risk management, I like it. Okay, makes sense. And is trading your full-time job right now?
No, 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 no. I have a couple of businesses aside beside trading,
Okay, great.
but they're being funded with trading eventually. When I trade, then I fund my businesses.
Okay, I see. How's the payouts with trading?
No, the payouts are excellent, excellent. To tell the truth, everything is excellent because most of the payout that I made a couple maybe twice or third or three times a day in a month, then it's fine because when the payouts are coming through, you know that okay, month end or during this day, I'll receive my payment from the profit. So they always keep their promises to pay you out, and then you'll eventually get your money even though there's a delay that you wanted the money immediately, but you know that there's a rule that you need to follow according to the profit. So you need to stay alert and stay patient with the profit, then they're gonna pay you your money that you made.
Sounds great. Sounds great. Um, what makes a successful prop firm trader, in your opinion?
A successful profit trader is to always follow the rules of the profit because even if you try to be like your own personal trader, your own style, own personal trading, it can affect you because the rule says you need to avoid breaching the account. You can make profit, close the profit, make a smaller loss, but when the loss is going to be huger than the profit that you make, the account is going to be breached and then you're going to be cancelled from the profit. So, which makes you that you need to go back again and start all over again. So, just in case you passed phase one, phase two, then you got your live trading account, and then you find out that okay, here like is the work that you need to put. You need to put in more work so that you know that okay, after this, I'm gonna get my payouts, and my payouts are gonna be this much. I'm targeting this much. So each and every time, have a daily target that a day I make this much, a day I make this much. Then you know that after a couple of days or a days that you have set for yourself, then you're gonna receive your payout.
Okay, sounds great. And would you be able to show us your platform?
At the moment, let me try to check because I've been logged in. But I took a screenshot. Can I produce a screenshot in case?
Yeah, sure.
I
And you
think
can also do share screen.
okay, no problem. Let me try to. Okay, here it is.
Okay. Looking great. All
Yeah,
right.
you see, yes, here I was in profit for $3.2.
Wow. Okay.
So yes, I managed to put in more work and then was able to make some profit from the USDT that I was trading. So sometimes you find out that the pair that you are trading is not the pair that you are always familiar with. So in case to avoid losses, I'm trading the pair that I know that this one I can and I will make profit from it. So I'm avoiding major losses and setbacks from the market.
Okay. Nice. Looking great. Looking great. We have viewers right now. Any tip for viewers?
Oh yes, yes. Make sure that they need to make sure everything that you do or everything that you say or you set for yourself, you make passion and you put in more work on it, and then join the discount and then everything that you know that the FTC is gonna be able to help you with. Because even if it takes time, but patience is the key to success. You are able to pass the phase one, phase two, and then you go to the live trading account. Because once you reach the live trading account, it's where you're gonna see that okay, now I need to put in more work. It's unlike the phase one and the phase two. Because remember, on the phase one and phase two, they're testing your knowledge that in case you are able to handle the losses, you are able to trade before they can give you a live trading account. So make sure each and every time you put in more work, you strategize, you make sure that each and every day you sleep on a profit and avoid losses each and every time.
All right. Great advice. So I guess that's everything for today. Thank you. Thank you so much for being our guest. Have a lovely day. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye now.